Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to get free skin cases in Rivals on Roblox. Firstly, the daily logins or daily rewards. Many Roblox games reward you just for opening the game each day. Open Rivals, look for a daily reward or login streak panel, and claim every day to stack free cases. Also completing in-game missions like checking the quests, missions, tasks tab, and finishing match objectives, daily missions or weekly challenges often grants cases or keys, and focus on any new player on tutorial tasks. Also, of course, try to level up fast, because playing matches and earning XP can unlock level, rewards or seasonal battle pass style tiers that include cases. Keep playing to hit the milestone rewards. There are also special events and limited time events that you can watch for in the menu of holidays events or updates. Events commonly drop case rewards for participating or winning event matches, and devs sometimes publish free codes for cases, keys, cosmetics to redeem. Just go to the settings section on your game and then go to shop and then codes button. Pass the code exactly and press redeem. Code expire quickly, so use them right away. And from Roblox games lets you watch short ads for free case or key. Look for a watch ad for a reward button in the store or reward area, then click on it and you'll get free cases. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.